In this video, I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp QR code that lets customers message you instantly without saving your number, without typing anything, and with full tracking, so you know exactly which of your marketing placements is driving conversations. If you run a business on WhatsApp, here's the friction you're dealing with every day. A customer sees your flyer, your packaging, your store window. They want to reach out, but to message you on WhatsApp, they have to open their contacts, manually type your full number with country code, save it, then find you in WhatsApp and start a chat. Most people don't bother, and the ones who do? You have no idea which touchpoint actually drove that conversation. Was it the flyer, the receipt, the Instagram bio? You're flying blind. WhatsApp does have a built-in QR code for your profile, but it can't be branded, it can't be tracked, and for most use cases, group invites, call links, catalogs, it doesn't even exist. The fix is a WhatsApp QR code built outside the app. You create a wa.me link, WhatsApp's official chat link format. Turn it into a branded QR code and put it anywhere a customer might see it. They scan it, WhatsApp opens on their phone with a pre-filled message ready to send, and they're in your chat in 2 taps. No number saving, no friction. And with the right tool, you get scan data, how many people scanned, where, on what device, so you know what's working. Here's exactly how to build it. The tool we are using is the QR Code Generator, or TQRCG. TQRCG's dynamic QR codes let you update where the code points after you've already printed it. So if your WhatsApp number changes, or you want to swap the pre-filled message for a seasonal campaign, you change it in the dashboard, and every printed code you've already distributed updates automatically. No reprinting. It also tracks every scan by location, time, and device. For a business running WhatsApp across multiple channels, that data tells you where to concentrate your effort. 5 steps. Let's go. Step 1. Build your wa.me link. The format is simple. wa.me/ followed by your phone number in full international format. No plus sign, no spaces, no dashes. So if your number is +1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 0, your link is wa.me/ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 0. You can also add a pre-filled message to that link, which is useful for businesses. Append this to your link. Text equals, followed by your message. For example, "Hi, I'd like to know more about your services." When someone scans the QR code, WhatsApp opens with that message already typed. They just tap Send. This dramatically increases the chance they actually reach out. Copy that full link. We'll use it in the next step. Step 2. Go to the TQRCodeGenerator.com. Sign in to the dashboard and click on Create QR Code. In the Content Type selector, choose the Socials option, then select WhatsApp. You'll see a field for your WhatsApp link. Step 3. Paste your wa.me link into that field. A live QR code preview generates on the right instantly. Scan it right now with your phone if you want. It will open WhatsApp with your pre-filled message. That's already your working code. But we're going to make it look like it belongs to your business. Step 4. Customize. In the design panel, change the code color to match your brand. Choose a pattern style, and with a free account, add your business logo to the center. This is worth doing. A branded QR code on a product package or store counter reads as intentional. A plain black and white code looks like it was generated in 30 seconds and pasted on. One of those gets scanned more. You can also add a frame with a short call to action text, something like, "Scan to chat with us." That single line removes any ambiguity about what happens when someone scans it. Always dark code on a light background. Don't reverse it. A light code on a dark background kills scan reliability. Step 5. Download and put it everywhere. For print, packaging, flyers, business cards, in-store signage, download SVG or high-resolution PNG. These scale to any size without going blurry. For digital, email signatures, social media bios, WhatsApp status, standard PNG works fine. Before you print anything, test it. Open your camera, point it at the screen, make sure WhatsApp opens with the right pre-filled message. The highest converting placements for a WhatsApp QR code. Product packaging turns buyers into chat contacts at the moment they're most engaged. Store counter or checkout captures customers while they're already interacting with your staff. Business cards turns every handshake into a direct line. Email signature gives every recipient a one-scan path to a conversation. One CTA next to the code is all you need. Scan to chat with us on WhatsApp. Done. Here's what we solved. Getting customers onto WhatsApp is blocked by friction, saving numbers, typing digits, hunting for contacts. The built-in WhatsApp QR code helps with profile sharing, but can't be branded, tracked, or used for groups, calls, or catalogs. We fixed that in TQRCG. Built a wa.me link with a pre-filled message, turned it into a branded code with logo and colors, and downloaded it ready for print or digital. Now every scan opens a WhatsApp chat with your customer, and the dashboard tells you exactly which placement drove it. If this helped, hit subscribe. We cover practical QR code tips like this every week. See you in the next one.